Does your ComfyUI workflow look like a plate of spaghetti? We've all been there. You want to compare 3 different background removers or 2 different upscalers, so you end up manually dragging wires back and forth. It's slow, it's frustrating, and it leads to mistakes. Today I'm going to show you the smart switch method using the RG3 node pack. This will let you toggle between different paths in your workflow with a single click, saving your time and your VRAM. The RG3 suite is a must-have because it makes ComfyUI actually comfortable. Let's look at our 3 stars today. Any switch, think of this as a universal adapter. It can take any single data type, images, text, or latents, and pick one to pass through. Context switch, this is for pipes. Instead of one wire, a context node bundles your model, clip, V, and seed into one thick cable. This switch moves the whole bundle at once. Context switch big. Exactly like the standard context switch, but with even more slots for custom data like control nits or extra masks. The big difference? Any switch handles one type of data. Context switches handle a whole package of data at once. To get started, open your ComfyUI Manager, click Custom Nodes Manager, and search for RG3. Install it, restart your ComfyUI, and refresh your browser. You'll find them under the RG3 category when you right-click your canvas. Let's say you want to test 3 different ways to remove a background. Usually, you'd have to build 3 workflows. If you want to change the final brightness of the image, you'd have to change it in 3 places. That's a nightmare. Place all 3 background remover setups in the same workflow. Put each setup into its own group. Optionally, color these groups green. Add the AnySwitch RG3 node. Connect the image output of each group to the inputs of the switch. Connect the switch output to your final preview/save node. Now the magic ingredient, the fast group muter. Right-click it, go to Properties and set Match Color to green. Now, this one node can turn your different groups in green color on and off. The AnySwitch is smart. It automatically looks for the first active, non-muted input. If you mute group 1 and 2, it instantly passes the data from group 3. No wire dragging required. What if you want to switch the image and the seed number used for that specific process? Using AnySwitch would require 2 different switches. That's messy. Instead, we use the context switch. Connect your image and your seed into a context node for each group. Connect those context nodes into the context switch. Now when you toggle a group, the switch carries over the correct image and the correct seed simultaneously. To see it in action, we'll use a Show Any node to display the seed and a preview image for the result. It works perfectly every time. Using RG3 switches doesn't just make your workspace look professional, it stops ComfyUI from running nodes you aren't using, which keeps your GPU happy and fast. If you found this helpful, give that like button a click and subscribe for more ComfyUI logic tips. I've left a link to the RG3 GitHub in the description below. Now go forth and clean up those noodles. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next workflow.